Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss advanced level A-level accounting paper 2024 question number 26. This is related to salary sheet. Look here, what are the requirements? Requirements is there. Total expenses recognized relating to employees. Okay, total expenses recognized relating to employees. Employee related total expense. Okay, for the month ending 31st March 2024 and EPF payable as at 31st March 2024. There's a closing date of a company. Firstly, we identify total expenses recognized relating to employees. How can we calculate? Look here. Total expenses relating to employees equal to, what is that? Gross salary plus EPF employer contribution means the large portion is 15% or 12%. Okay, 15% plus ETF 3%. This is the total employee expenses. Gross salary means this include 10% EPF. Okay, 10% is there. Okay, gross salary, EPF 15% and ETF 3%. Gross salary is calculating basic salary plus allowances. How can we calculate gross salary? Basic salary plus allowances. Okay, let's see the question. Information is there. Look here. The following information has been extracted, copied from payroll of the company for the month ending 31st March 2024. This is the current month. Okay, basic salary, allowances, additional information. We must read this additional information. The employer means business. Okay, business, and employee means employee. Employer means business. Okay, employer and employee contribution to employee provident fund EPF are 15% and 10% respectively. Employer contribution to employee trust fund ETF is 3%. EPF and ETF contributions are calculated based on gross salary of employees. EPF and ETF contributions are calculated based on, what's the basement? Gross salary of employees. A particular month EPF and ETF, there is a EPF or ETF there in 1 month, are remitted means paid in following month is next month. Okay, a particular month is the current month. Think about the current month. EPF and ETF are remitted current month. EPF and ETF paid in following month, next month. Okay, you can think about that. The current month expenses are paid in next month. No, therefore current month salaries and EPF and ETF are at the end of the current month is payable. Why? Current month EPF and ETF paid in next month. Therefore current month EPF and ETF are payable at the end of the month. Why? At the end of the month they not paid. Why? They paid at the next month. Therefore the current month ending there is a payable. Okay, next one is the requirement. Total expense recognized relating to employees for the month ending 31st March 2024 and EPF payable as at 31st March 2024. Firstly, we calculate the gross salary. What is the gross salary? Basic salary plus allowances. Gross salary is 10,000. This is the gross salary. gross salary is 10,000. Why? Basic salary, we add allowances, we can calculate gross salary easily. We can write it gross salary 10,000. How can we calculate 15% for EPF? Is based on gross salary. Why? The question said that what is that? Look here, EPF and ETF contributions are calculated based on gross salary. Therefore, we can easily find the 15%. 10,000 into 15% is 1,500. 10,000 into 3% is 300. Therefore, we can calculate the total expense related to employees. 11,800 is the answer. Total employee expense 11,800. There are two answers there. Firstly, next we find the EPF payable as at 31st March 2024. EPF payable, how can we calculate? EPF payable, there is a two persons, two items. EPF payable, we must payable EPF 15% and 10% both for the employee provident fund. Therefore, 15% is there, 1,500. 10% for gross salary. 10% means 1,000. This is the total payable, 2,500. 2,500 is total EPF payable. At the payable time, you must be identified 10% and 15% both. Okay. Next one, answer is 2,500. Answer is 5 for question number 26. 5. Question number 26. In next video, we find the answer of question number 27.